What's happening? Shout out to all my fellow beginner investors and traders, college graduates, entrepreneurs, hustlers, anybody trying to make something out of nothing the right way. This is the crypto cafeteria. I wanted to talk to you fellow beginner investors and traders about the next Bitcoin halving and how they are using that to keep you engaged in the market so that they can trade crypto and pump their bags to dump on retail. Because if you haven't been paying attention, we've already got a run up. That was what happened 6 months ago when Bitcoin jumped up to 31,000 just a few months ago. The run up already started. They were trying to make you believe that Bitcoin was going to go to 40,000 or 50,000 to keep you engaged. That's why you have to watch a lot of these content creators. I'm not saying listen to me. I'm saying if you go look at the channel, we've had a few names. Right now, I feel like the crypto cafeteria suits us because this is where you sit down, you eat, and you talk and discuss your day, how you feel, different information. In this case, it's about crypto and investing and trading, okay? And buying digital assets, all right? This is where we sit down to talk about digital assets. And if you go look at my channel, you can see the hits that I've taken, the experience, the little bit of information that I've gained. And I'm here to tell you as a beginner, still learning, that a lot of this is being used to keep you engaged so these people can pump their bags and dump on you. I'm telling you. So you have to have a set target. You have to have a set price that you plan on unloading so that you can be profitable. Do not allow these investors, these scam artists out here, these content creators, because a lot of them are scams. You don't see them unless cryptocurrency is pumping. You don't see it unless crypto is dumping. And you don't see them unless there's some news that's coming out that has already been probably announced in their communities probably years ago that they're bringing to us, acting as if that they're helping us when they probably already know what's going on or taking place. Okay, so that's the reason why I wanted to do this video. I wanted to show you I have several portfolios with different currencies in them, different technologies, different assets. Chainlink is one of those assets. I've been jumping on Quant, ICP, Hedera, and a few others. I've tried not to go overboard, but there are certain technologies, protocols, and systems that I think are already being implemented. I used to believe that crypto was in its infancy, but once I started doing more homework and paying attention and just using common sense, because it doesn't take rocket science, rocket scientists to figure this out. When you look at this, you can already see that these systems and these protocols are already being used. Cryptography has been around for a minute. And then when you look at CGI, digital effects and all that, you can clearly see that they've been using that stuff for 20, 30 years just about. And it's no way in hell that now all of a sudden they're, letting us know that there's about to be a financial shift or a digital shift or some wealth transfer, and it's going to be based on the digital economy, so to speak. And they haven't already ran that system to see that it works, because if you're a company that just, okay, for example, if you just get Hedera right now and then all the I's and T's aren't dotted and crossed off, it can ruin and bring down your whole company if these systems and protocols aren't running fluid. If they, so I just can't believe that crypto is in its infancy anymore. I really do believe crypto is a goddamn teenager or a young adult at this point. They just haven't factored in the prices for these assets and as far as their capabilities and what they can do. In my opinion, I think we're being told a bunch of bull. I think that one day we'll wake up and these assets will be sky high because they're already priced in as far as what they know, based on the use that they've been based on them already using it, using these technologies for years. I'm pretty sure these technologies have been used for years. And some of these technologies are already companies that we already know. They just changed the names. You know what I'm saying? And that's, so it's just, please do not get caught up in these content creators feeding you this bull. They giving us 3-4 videos a day. I mean, how much can you broadcast or inform us about the same cryptocurrency? Some of these people are only talking about 1 or 2 assets or technologies or protocols, and they'll give you 3 or 4 videos a day. So you have to be careful when you're dealing with these people, man, these content creators. I'm just a regular Joe Smo, that has some understanding of how cryptocurrency is being used. So I just want y'all to know, man, be careful. Don't get caught up in the hype. And if you believe in the technologies and protocols and the systems that you are invested in, just stand 10 toes down, stand firm, because you will get the results that you're looking for. I'm not saying you're going, and I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not an investing guru or nothing like that. I just believe that what goes around comes around. You just have to stay firm. And right now they're trying to shake people out, in my opinion, because there's too many people learning about crypto. And if they are trying to implement systems to, like, basically communism, in my opinion, they're not trying to allow as many people. They don't want to allow or let too many people become millionaires or have that type of money, because once you do, you can control things. You can buy politicians, you can get things done, and you can obtain power, and I don't think they want that for average citizens, because then we'll overthrow the government. So that's just my opinion. I believe that crypto is already a young adolescent, or maybe a young adult. It's been being used. I think quantum technology has been used for a long time. And like I said, man, just be careful, man. Don't get caught up with all these content creators feeding you with this bull. Now, there are some good ones out there that's explaining how these technologies are being used through the financial system and the digital system, and they're giving you information that's critical to understanding how cryptocurrency is going to be used and how the new financial system is going to be used in the digital economy. But more than half of them, 80% of them, are full of shh. I'm telling you, so be careful, pay attention. And in my opinion, I think we're about to get a little drop off. I've been noticing Chainlink, it runs, when the market is doing bad, when the stock market is going down and when crypto is going down, Chainlink normally performs pretty good. So, I've been waiting for it to drop down maybe to like $5. They didn't let me buy too much in Robinhood when it dropped to 570, 560 something, 70 just about a week ago, but they started letting me buy like 580, 590. So I do believe Chainlink will go down probably another $1. But that does not mean it's going to drop off with Bitcoin, because Chainlink is already being used through Swift. So I'm expecting Chainlink to explode to like $15, $20 in the next month or two. Now, I could be wrong, but I do think Chainlink, this is my opinion. This is what I do. I believe, that Chainlink is going to be utilized, already being used. So, I do think Chainlink will jump up to $15, $20 before next year. So, I just wanted to do this video so you guys can be careful, man. Watch yourself and make sure that you stay firm in what you believe. Don't let nobody shake you out of this financial opportunity. That's only probably going to happen another maybe once or twice after this. We only got probably 2 more opportunities, and after this is over with. The price is going to be sky high, and average people, normal people, won't be able to get in. So please tell me how you feel. down in the comments, man. And you know, I'm gonna just keep on jumping in and out, you know, because we need to help each other, man. It's a lot of people out here that's trying to use us for benefit, you know, and profit. And you know, that's not cool, man. Especially when there are people out here that really are looking to invest and do the right thing with their money so that they can have you know, comfortable future, you know. So please, man, like I said, drop it down in the comment box. Let me know how you feel. And we're going to keep on, you know, bringing this little baby bit of information and talking about this space as much as we can. I'm out here.